अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पार्ट 15। ठीक है, तो पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं पार्ट 15 के। द बियरिंग कैपेसिटी फैक्टर एन सी एन क्यू एन एन गामा डिपेंड ऑन विच इज डिपेंड ऑन एंगल ऑफ इंटरनल फ्रिक्शन ऑफ सॉइल। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू स्कैम्पटन फार्मूला फॉर surface footing of square shape, the net ultimate bearing capacity on purely cohesive soil of the cohesion C is which is a 6C। ठीक है, तो आप एक्सप्लेनेशन भी प्रेफर कर सकते हो। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। The maximum size of plate for plate load test is which is 75 centimeter square. The foundation may be called a shallow one of its depth to width ratio is which is less than 2। ठीक है, सेल्फ फाउंडेशन के लिए डी एफ डेप्थ बाई विड्थ रेशियो लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 होता है। डीप फाउंडेशन के लिए एज पर तार जाएगा डी बाई बी इज ग्रेटर देन 1 होना चाहिए। ठीक है, एज पर स्कैम्पटन डी बाई बी रेशियो इज लेस देन 2.5 होना चाहिए ड्यू टू बेस रेजिस्टेंस, और स्कैम्पटन डी बाई बी इज ग्रेटर देन 2.5। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। द floating foundation is one in which is the net soil pressure beneath the foundation structure is zero. In design of foundation, the soil is loaded with a factor of safety on bearing capacity to ensure is to the soil behavior of elastic at working load। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। कंसिडरेशन ऑफ बोथ shallow and deep foundation depends which is depend on only the depth to width ratio। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। In pile foundation is adopted in an expensive soil deposit, then the most suitable type of pile is which is the multiple bulb under rim pile. A basement of raft of 12 mm square is placed at a depth of 3 meter below ground level is in a deposit of silty clay having C 4 ton per meter square, theta is equal to 0, gamma 2 ton per meter cube, and water table at ground level with a factor of safety 3। The approximate net bearing pressure is which is the आपको डाटा भी विड्थ दिया, डेप्थ दिया, सी की वैल्यू 4 टन पर मीटर स्क्वायर दे रखा है, थीटा 0 डिग्री, और गामा की वैल्यू 2 टन पर मीटर क्यूब दिया है, फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी 3। तो सेफ बियरिंग कैपेसिटी निकालने की क्यू एन एस इक्वल टू क्यू यू एन यू डिवाइड बाई फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी होता है। बियरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ सैलो स्क्वायर फुटिंग क्यू एन यू इक्वल टू 1.3 सी एन सी प्लस क्यू एन क्यू प्लस 0.4 गामा बी एन गामा होता है। क्यू इक्वल टू गामा डी एफ गामा एन क्यू इक्वल टू 0 होता है। ठीक है, तो यहाँ से स्कैम्पटन मेथड से आप जस्ट वैल्यू पुट करके एन सी की वैल्यू 3.6, देन आप बियरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ सैलो स्क्वायर फुटिंग के फॉर्मूले में अब जस्ट वैल्यूज पुट कर दोगे आप, तो 32.76 टन पर मीटर स्क्वायर आ जाएगा। सेफ बियरिंग कैपेसिटी निकालने के लिए नेट बियरिंग कैपेसिटी को डिवाइड कर दोगे फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी का, जो कि है 10.92, जो कि इक्वल होगा अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 11 टन पर मीटर स्क्वायर के। फिर निगेटिव स्किन फ्रिक्शन ऑन पाइल में अकर व्हेन विच इज अकर व्हेन द फिल वाज कंसोलिडेटेड अराउंड द पाइल आफ्टर ड्राइविंग। In using Newmark chart, the loaded area is drawn to scale equal to which is equal to depth scale shown in the chart. The figure given below represents the contact pressure distribution on underneath as which is the rigid footing on saturated soil. A load of 4000 kilonewton is uniformly distributed over an area of 3 meter into 3 meter. Average vertical stress at a depth of 2 meter below will be assuming 2 vertical and 1 horizontal disturbance, which is 160 kilonewton per meter square. Negative skin friction is the soil is considered when the pile is constructed through a which is a fill material. Two criteria for determining of allowable bearing capacity of foundation are which is the shear failure and settlement. Next question, according to IS code, allowable settlement of raft footing on sand is which is a 40 mm to 65 mm। ठीक है, ये आपको आइसोलेटेड फाउंडेशन के लिए मैक्सिमम सेटलमेंट 40 mm एंड मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस सेटलमेंट 25 mm। राफ्ट फाउंडेशन के लिए 40 to 65 mm, जो कि मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस सेटलमेंट 25 mm। आइसोलेटेड फाउंडेशन फॉर क्ले में 65 mm और मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस 40 mm। राफ्ट फाउंडेशन का 65 to 100 mm, जो मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस 40 mm। ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू तरजागी द नेट ultimate bearing capacity of clay is given by where NQ and gamma NC are being capacity factor of C cohesion which is C and C. The maximum unit pressure that a soil can withstand without rupturing, shear or without excessive settlement of structure is called which is ultimate bearing capacity. The gross bearing capacity of 1.5 meter width strip footing at the depth of 1 meter is 440 kilonewton per meter square. If gamma equal to 20 kilonewton per meter square, what is the net bearing capacity which is 420 किलोमीटर पर मीटर स्क्वायर। ठीक है, क्यू इज इक्वल टू गामा डी एफ इक्वल टू 20 into 1 20 किलोमीटर पर मीटर स्क्वायर। नेट बियरिंग कैपेसिटी को या क्यू यू माइनस यू जो किया जाए 40 किलोमीटर पर मीटर स्क्वायर। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन assumption इन तरजागीज फॉर्मुलेशन फॉर बियरिंग कैपेसिटी इक्वेशन विच ए बेस ऑफ फुटिंग इज स्मूथ। According to Tarjagi's equation, the bearing capture strip footing resisting on cohesive soil is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter square per unit depth and unit width, NC equal to 5.7 will be, ठीक है। तो यहाँ से क्यू इक्वल टू सी एन सी प्लस गामा डी एन क्यू प्लस 1/2 गामा बी एन गामा, ठीक है। यहाँ से सी की वैल्यू 10 किलोमीटर पर मीटर, एन सी की वैल्यू 5.7, जस्ट वैल्यूज हम पुट करेंगे तो 57 किलोमीटर पर मीटर स्क्वायर आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा। द मैक्सिमम डिफरेंशियल सेटलमेंट आइसोलेटेड फुटिंग ऑन सैंडी सॉइल, ध्यान दीजिएगा सैंडी सॉइल बोला, ठीक है। शैल नॉट एक्सीड विच विल नॉट एक्सीड अबाउट 25 mm, जो कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। A cantilevered sheet pile derives its stability from which is from the lateral resistance of soil, which is a B is the correct one. Next problem की तरफ चलते हैं। H pile is a type of one of the following pile, which is the steel pile. Raft foundation useful where which is used for soil having low bearing capacity, which is also used there. Heavy loads are transferred through column, which is also used. Superstructure insensitive to differential settlement, which also hence all of the above. Next problem देखते हैं। The load carrying capacity of friction pile in a clay strata is 180 kilonewton. If the group of 7 piles are designed with an efficiency factor of 0.75, then the total load carrying capacity kilonewton of group will be, which is the W का लोड दे रखा हुआ 180 किलो न्यूटन, इफिशियंसी फैक्टर 0.75, नंबर ऑफ पाइल 7, टोटल लोड 180 इंटू 0.75 इक्वल टू 135 किलो न्यूटन, एंड डिजाइन ऑफ ग्रुप पाइल टोटल लोड इक्वल 135 इंटू 7 विच इज 945 किलो न्यूटन, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है। When heavy structural load from column are required to be transferred to a soil of a low bearing capacity, the following foundation is not provided, which is a isolated footing. A pile which obtained most of its load carrying capacity at the base of pile is known as, which is the end bearing piles. The shallow foundation is defined as the foundation which has the depth of embedment less than its width. A vertical cut is to be made in saturated and submerged clay with C equal to 15 kilonewton per meter square, gamma saturated 18.5 kilonewton per meter cube, gamma W 10 kilonewton per meter cube. What is the theoretical depth of the which the clay can be excavated without side slope, ठीक है। यहाँ C की वैल्यू 50 किलो पास्कल दे रखा, गामा सैचुरेटेड 18.5 किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब दे रखा, गामा W 10 किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब, सिग्मा इक्वल टू के ए गामा डैश जेड माइनस 2C रूट के ए, ठीक है। सिग्मा 0 हो जाएगा, जेड सी इक्वल 2C गामा डैश रूट के ए, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे जस्ट वैल्यू पूरा 3.53। मैक्सिमम हाइट ऑफ सेल्फ स्टेबिलिटी जेड सी इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 3.53 मीटर, जो किया जाएगा डी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन। नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। कह रहा है कि स्टेटमेंट 1 है, इन बोगीज थ्योरी ऑफ स्ट्रेस कंप्यूटेशन सॉइल इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी अनस्ट्रेस्ड बिफोर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लोड, ठीक है। तो स्टेटमेंट 1 तो करेक्ट है। स्टेटमेंट बी क्या कर रहा है, द कॉन्टैक्ट प्रेशर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अंडर ए रिजिड फुटिंग इन cohesionless soil uniform throughout the width of the footing, which is a wrong, hence option B is the correct one. Next problem देखते हैं। Minimum depth of foundation calculated by Rankine's formula for design of retaining wall is, which is a Q naught divided by gamma 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi का whole square, option B is the correct one. What does not fit into the classification of pile based on function, which is the steel pile. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं जो स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम है। स्टेटमेंट 1 क्या कर रहा है कि तरजागी बेयरिंग कैपेसिटी थ्योरी एज्यूम स्टिफ फाउंडेशन इन द एनालिसिस, which is correct, and the Tarjagi's theory does not consider development of shear resistance in the soil mass with the funding level, which is both statements are correct. Next from the statement A, plate load test is a short duration test and is not suitable in cohesive soil, which is correct, and the plate load test does not record the total settlement of test plate in clay soil, which is correct, which means the statement 1 is a correct explanation of A. B statement is correct explanation of A. Next question, following are the statement about the major difference between Tarjagi analysis T and Mapper-Maup analysis M of the bearing capacity, ठीक है। तो इसमें आप देख सकते हो स्टेटमेंट दे रखा है, the difference between Tarjagi and Mapper approach is that the latter consider the shearing resistance of the soil above the base of the foundation while the former ignore it. May prop allow the failure zone to extend up to the ground surface. Next problem, the which is an example of cast in site concrete pile, which is the Riemann piles, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। Foundation are generally preferred to when the area required for individual footing is more than 50% of total area. The arrangement of supporting an existing structure by providing support underneath is known as, which is a underpinning. Select the correct statement, which is the correct statement is the negative skin friction is caused by the relative settlement of soil and skin friction is caused by relative settlement of pile. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम की तरफ चलते हैं. The static cone penetration test and standard penetration test are performed on soil at a certain depth. The value of static cone penetration test is 8 megapascal and n value is 20. Soil made with the depth is which is a sandy silt. Reflection of the sheet pile in barrage cut which is an increase from the top to bottom. For reinforced concrete structure supported by isolated footing resisting on sand, the maximum permissible settlement as per IS 1904 in 1986 recommendation is which is a 40 mm. Soil pressure distribution below a rigid footing on the surface of the cohesive soil is which is the minimum at center and maximum at edge. Next problem देखते हैं. A group of 9 piles 12 meter long and 250 mm in diameter is arranged in square form in clay having undrained shear strength of 30 kN per meter square, neglected bearing at top of the pile and taking adhesion factor 0.9. Ultimate capacity of all piles individual action is which is ultimate capacity of all pile system यानी into अल्फा सी यू इंटू पैरामीटर इंटू लेंथ 10 वैल्यू पुट करोगे आप तो 2290 किलो न्यूटन आ जाएगा. Two footing, one circular and another strip are founded on the surface of purely cohesionless soil. Diameter of the circular footing and the width of the strip footing is same. Then the ratio of ultimate bearing capacity of circular strip footing is which is about 0.6. The ultimate load cannot be clearly recognized in case as punching shear failure. Next problem देखते हैं. In a plate load test, the excavated width of test pit is which is a 5 times the width of test plate. Suggest a most suitable foundation when the loads are heavy and clay soil is soft with a basement floor which is a raft footing. The process of recording the resistance to the driving the bearing tubes as a quick site exploration is which is a sounding. देखते हैं. Which one of the following state of field compaction sand deposit truly represent the corrected standard penetration test value and which corrected which is a medium dense हो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो क्लियरली दे रखा. ठीक है, अगर डेंसिटी इस रेंज में हो तो. ठीक, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. For ultimate bearing capacity of soil is 310 kilonewton per meter square. The depth of foundation is 0.180 meter and gamma is 20 kilonewton per meter cube. If the factor of safety 3, what will be the net safe bearing pressure? We know that the formula which is a Qn is equal to Qu minus gamma df divided by factor of safety. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके अगर आप सॉल्व करोगे तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा जो कि होगा जस्ट आप देखते हैं. Qu की वैल्यू आप रख यहाँ पुट कर दो 310 minus 20 into 0.80 divided by factor of safety which is 3 and we have 294 by 3 which is comes around 98 kilonewton per meter square. Next problem देखते हैं. A footing of 2 meter into 1 meter exert a uniform pressure of 150 kilonewton per meter square on the soil assuming a load dispersion of 2 vertical and 1 horizontal. The average vertical stress at 1 meter below the footing is which is the 50. ठीक है, कैसे सॉल्व करें आप यहाँ पे आंसर रेफरेंस देख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं. द लोड कैरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल फ्रिक्शन pile is 200 kilonewton. What is the total load capacity of a group 9 such piles with a group efficiency factor of 0.8 which is a 1440 kilonewton. The under rimmed piles are connected by a reinforced beam known as which is the grade beam. A raft foundation of 6 meter 9 meter is placed at a depth of 3 meter in a cohesive soil having C is equal to 120 kilonewton per meter square. The net ultimate bearing capacity of the soil using Tarjagi's theory will be, तो आपको पता है Q ultimate इज इक्वल टू होता है SCCNC. ठीक है, एस सी इक्वल टू होता है 1 + 0.3 B/L. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 1 + 0.3 B की वैल्यू 6, L की वैल्यू 9 which is 1.2 comes out. ठीक है, तो Q ultimate इक्वल टू S की वैल्यू 1.2 और C की वैल्यू 120 एंड NC की वैल्यू 5.8 जो कि आ जाएगा अप्रॉक्स 820.8 kilonewton per meter जो कि अप्रॉक्स आ जाएगा 820 के. फिर नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं. A gross bearing capacity of 2 meter wide strip footing at a depth of 1.5 meter is 450 kilonewton per meter square. Gamma is equal to 20 kilonewton per meter cube. What is the net bearing capacity? So Q net equal to Q gross minus gamma df which is come 420 kilonewton per meter square. Better piles are designed to carry which type of load which is the lateral load. As per IS 1904 1986, all foundations shall extended to the depth of at least which is 500 mm below natural ground level. With respect to the site investigation for a foundation, significant depth is defined as the depth up to which the stress increment due to superimposed load can produce significant settlement. For a shallow foundation, P is a load gamma is unit weight of the soil and phi is the angle of repose, which is the following equal to total depth of foundation according to Rankine's formula, which is P by gamma bracket 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi ka whole square. The wooden pile is being driven with a deep drop hammer weight 18 kilonewton and having a free fall of 1 meter. Penetration is the last ball is 5 mm. Determine the load carrying capacity of pile according to engineering formula Q equal to WH by C 6S plus C. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से H की वैल्यू 1 मीटर दे रखा है, W 18 किलो न्यूटन और फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी 6, S की वैल्यू 5 जस्ट और C की वैल्यू 25 mm. जस्ट वैल्यू पुट करेंगे आप आ जाएगा 110 किलो न्यूटन. ठीक है, और ये 110 नहीं है 100 किलो न्यूटन. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. The ultimate bearing capacity of surface strip footing on clay according to Tarjagi theory in which is the 4.7 C. Next problem देखते हैं. Negative skin friction on a pile under vertical compressive load act which is a downward and reduce the load carrying capacity of the pile. The type of foundation suitable for underwater structure is which is for pier foundation. Next problem देखते हैं. A foundation is considered as shallow if its depth is which is equal to or less than its width. Tarjagi's equation of ultimate bearing capacity for strip footing may be used for square footing resisting of pure clay soil with the correction factor which is 1.3. For phi is equal to 0, the Tarjagi bearing capacity factor R which is NC equal to 5.7, NQ equal to 1, and gamma equal to 0. While driving a large number of pile in loose sand, which is it is advantage to follow a sequence of pile driving such that the piles periphery are driven first and inner piles are driven later. Efficiency of pile group is defined as which is defined the average load carrying by a pile in a group divided load carrying by a single pile. Permissible settlement is relatively higher for which is a raft on clay. For contact pressure of flexible footing on non-cohesive soil is which is more in the center than at the edge. Area of footing of an axially loaded column subjected to working load of 1000 kilonewton and say bearing capacity of soil 250 kilonewton per meter square which is a from 4.4 meter square. The in-plane shear deformation effect by which concentrated force tangential to the surface of plate get distributed over the entire section perpendicular to the load over a finite length of the plate along the direction of the load is called which is the CL lag. The net intensity of loading which the foundation will carry without undergoing settlement in excess or permissible value for the structure under consideration but not exceeding not net shape bearing capacity terminals which allowable bearing capacity. What does the plate load test help in estimating which is the settlement of foundation? Which of the following combination of factor is used for determining allowable capacity of foundation which is the settlement and shear failure? Which of the following is not a recognized failure type soil as support beneath the foundation depending upon the deformation associated with the load and the event of development of failure surface which is bending? Which of the following is a reason for using pile cop over a group piles which is the for spreading vertical and horizontal load at all pile? In shallow foundation design, the correction factor for water table correction in case of water table permanently remaining at or below a depth of plus width of the foundation taken as which is 1. What will be the load carrying capacity kilonewton of a group of 6 piles if the individual load carrying capacity 150 kilonewton and group efficiency is 75 which is 675. Next problem देखते हैं. While designing a pile, negative skin friction is considered when the pile is constructed in which is a fill material. Which of the following is not an advantage of well foundation which is shrinking the well cause vibration that are good for adjacent structure? According to the Indian standard, the maximum settlement allowed for isolated foundation of the reinforced concrete structure constructed on plastic is limited to which 75 mm. Which of the following is not an advantage of driven concrete precast pile which is a quality of concrete is never ensured? Which of the following is wrongly stated design of machine foundation which is there must be resonance? A 30 cm diameter friction pile is embedded 10 meter into a homogeneous consolidated deposit unit. Adhesion are developed between clay and pile shaft is 4 ton per meter square and the adhesion factor is 0.7. If the factor of safety to be adopted is 3, then what could be the safe load bearing capacity of friction pile is which is 13.3 ton. Maximum center to center spacing of friction pile of diameter is which is a 3D. Load carrying capacity of an individual friction pile is 100 kilonewton. What will total load carrying capacity of group 9 such pile with a group efficiency factor of 0.8? The efficiency factor 0.8 देखा. Capacity of single pile 100 kilonewton, number of piles 9. तो efficiency into capacity of single pile into number of pile जो किया जाएगा 720 kilonewton. Which of the following piles should be used when weak foundation soil is to be compacted, which is sand pile? Arranging the bearing capacity of shallow foundation in descending order from the highest to the lowest. तो हमको पता है सबसे ज़्यादा अल्टीमेट बियरिंग कैपेसिटी, देन आफ्टर नेट अल्टीमेट बियरिंग है, देन नेट सेफ बियरिंग है, देन ग्रॉस सेफ बियरिंग कैपेसिटी, सॉरी द ग्रॉस सेफ बियरिंग है, देन आफ्टर नेट सेफ बियरिंग कैपेसिटी होता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ पाइल ग्रुप विच इज मे बी लेस देन 100% मोर देन 100%. Which of the following statement is not a limitation of plate load test? In this test, a rigid plate is loaded at the foundation level and settle are determined corresponding to each load in settlement. The net pressure the soil can carry without exceeding settlement ठीक है is called which is the safe bearing pressure. New mark chart is used to foundation engineering determine which is the stresses in soil due to surface loading. Full flexity at the column may be valid only for column support by which all of the above. Cushions are used for structures such as which is a bridge pier and then river abandonment. Floating cushions is used where which is a load are not very heavy and the bearing stratum is not at a shallow depth. In case of isolated footing, offset provided in the concrete bed on all sides is 15 centimeter minimum. Inverted arch footing is more suitable for which for bridge. ठीक है, बाकी के प्रॉब्लम हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल.